Well guys, I'm fishing in Charleston down this pier, watching dolphins and stuff out here, but thought I had a bite. I caught a bottle fish. Check it out. Think I can eat that? I don't think it's got a message in it. I don't know, I'm about to see what's in it. Well, I found out why I caught a bottle. Because a crab caught my bait inside the bottle. Hold this at the same time. I'm trying to figure out how to hold. I can't hold this camera. Here, hold this. Check this out, dude. Caught a crab inside the bottle. That's how I got it. Caught inside the bottle. That's how I got the bottle. Because I heard it on the bottle. How I caught that bottle, there's no way of hooking it. Oh yeah, that's a big old crab in there. Goodness gracious. Okay, we gotta get something come out of the bottle. Come on, dude. He's trying to. I don't want to break the bottle, it's his house. I just want him to come out. See this? Come on out there. I will shake this till you come out. How did he get in there? Yeah. Come on out of here, dude. He might be stuck in there. Come on. I'm gonna have to grab something, pull him out. Oh, come on out of there, little dude. I think he's stuck, to be honest with you. I ain't trying to hurt him, I just want to get him out of there. Come on, man. Don't want to have to break the bottle, but I might have to. There we go. I think he was stuck. Oh, that was pretty good. Throw it down there. I don't want nobody to mess with that. He wasn't big. He was a little bitty sucker. I know. Don't get mad. He's mad at me. He's ready to fight. He's ready to fight. He's pissed off. You get rid of this glass so nobody steps on it. Alright, come on, dude. I'll get you back in the water. Okay, gotta go that way. Oh, I don't ever want to hurt any animals. Come on, man. I got you. Just hang in there, buddy. Don't you pinch me. I'm trying to help you out. You say it's funny? I know. Ow, son of a bitch. He got me. Here, I'm going to get him with these. I told you I didn't want to hurt you, and you're trying to hurt me. Come here. Quit moving around, jerk. There, now I got him by the hook. Catch and release. At its finest. There we go, the little feller. Maybe he won't run into any more bottles. Anyway, that was cool. Too bad I can't get them dolphins. Did you see them dolphins over a second ago? They're running the fish up on the bank, eating them on the bank. Yeah, I want them to come over here so I can get them on there. That was cool. See if I can get something else later.